Looking for infinity pool resort with breathtaking mountain view? I got you mga kahigala. Tara na dito sa Pueblo del Amor. Located lang sila sa Barangay Santo Niño, Lipa City, Batangas. You can avail this Casablanca mansion with this exclusive infinity pool. Habang tanaw na tanaw mo talaga si Mount Malarayat, sobrang relaxing at ang ganda talaga. Included in the package with big air-conditioned rooms with own toilet and bathroom. O, diba? San ka pa? With a spacious luxury kitchen na pwede nyo talagang gamitin during your stay. Pwedeng magluto ha? And other amenities you can enjoy from. Kaya inquire na kay Gala sa kanilang FB page at Pueblo del Amor. Uy, kay Gala, if nag-enjoy ka sa ganitong video, please comment and share naman para marami pa tayong ma-share na ganitong contents. Hanggang sa muli, ingat! And God bless!